morning, friends. How are you doing?
Good morning.
Okay, so yesterday when we were down at the carpet, we were talking about how can we find the main idea of a paragraph, right? Today we're going to take that learning and we're going to expand it. We're going to talk about how can we find the main idea of an entire informational text, okay? And the text that we're going to use is about simple machines. So you've all brought your simple machines book down with you. We're going to use this as a tool, and we also have an anchor chart that talks about what a main idea is, what are some clues to help us identify the main idea of a book, and how can we find it, okay? So can you please turn and talk and pair share, let your friend know what is our objective for today, what do we want to accomplish by the end of today's lesson. Go. Yeah? Alright, so who wants to share out what's our objective for our lesson today? Jameson, thank you for that quiet thumb.
Our objective today is we will be able to find the main idea in an informational text.
And how will you know when you've got it? Okay? I'm going to be able to do this, and I know I got it when. So your objective, like Jameson said, is we're going to find the main idea. How do you know if you got it? Mateo?
If you know what the book is about.
We know what it's mostly about, right? Thank you, Jameson, for that college cue signaling that you agree. Okay? So I'm going to play a little video clip that tells us a little more about the main idea and how we can find it. Okay?
McCann and the main idea song. Main idea. Today we're gonna learn the main idea. First things first. A few tricks you can try out first. You can look at the title of the story. It helps you find the main idea. Don't worry. The author might say it in the first sentence. Sometimes it's easy, so don't be nervous. And all you need are the details and a summary. They can make your test complete. And all you do, find examples the author includes, and then analyze those clues. Main idea. Today we're gonna learn the main idea. Ask questions. A few purpose-setting questions. What's the most important thing the author wants us to know?
Would that song sound familiar to any of you?
Yeah.
I heard it was like, it's a Justin Bieber song?
Yes.
I'm not that cool, so I don't really know the Justin Bieber song. But, okay, we like to incorporate songs into our learning, right? Makes it a little bit more fun. Okay, so what the most important thing the author wants us to know. And when that song was playing, I kept seeing the word clues come up, okay? There's going to be clues in our informational text that can help us find the main idea. So like I told you earlier, we had this anchor chart. It says good readers can identify the main idea. And first we have to know, what is the main idea? Well, the main idea is what the text is mostly about. And these clues that we're talking about could be in there, all of them, one, maybe two, okay? What they are is what the text is mostly about. We can look at the title, if there's heading inside the book, any pictures, okay? And sometimes the main idea is gonna be stated to us in the very first sentence. Sometimes it's not gonna happen until the very last sentence. So we're gonna look for clue words that are repeated, okay? So while we're reading, words that we see keep popping up multiple times, those should be a clue to us, okay? So I'm going to first model to you guys one paragraph, and then I'm going to ask that you guys work together to find the idea or the main idea of a paragraph for yourself, okay? All right. Bless you. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to open up my Simple Machines book here. All right, now I'm looking for clues. I see that this page has some of those clues that it listed. It has pictures, okay? Those pictures are going to help me understand the main idea. So it says a lever is one kind of simple machine. It makes work much easier. A bottle opener is a lever. It makes it easier to open a bottle. So now I need to find the main idea of this paragraph. And I'm going to look for words like my anchor chart says that are repeated. So I'm seeing lever pop up here multiple times, which is a clue to me that this page is about the simple machine, a lever, right? This picture right here shows me a lever as a bottle opener, and that it's easier for me to open a bottle if I have that simple machine. So I'm thinking what the author mostly wants me to know about this page is that a lever is a type of simple machine that makes opening things easier. Can you please share with your partner what the main idea of this page is that I just told you? Go.